In this video, I'll show you how to invest in SCHD on Robinhood for dividends step by step. If you're looking for a simple way to invest in dividend-paying companies, SCHD can be a popular option to consider. Start by opening the Robinhood app and signing in to your account. Tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen and type SCHD into the search bar. Select the fund from the search results to open its information page. Take a moment to review the fund details, including its performance, holdings, dividend information, and expense ratio so you understand what you're investing in. Once you're ready, tap the Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, or choose the number of shares if that option is available. Carefully review the estimated cost and all the order details before continuing. If everything looks correct, swipe or tap to submit your order. After your purchase is complete, you can monitor your investment by opening your portfolio and selecting SCHD from your holdings. Check its performance from time to time and review any dividend payments that are credited to your account. You can also continue adding to your investment over time if it fits your financial goals. Remember to do your own research before making any investment decisions and invest only what you're comfortable with. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.